and spilling over. It's an endless waterfall, filling up and spilling over all.
Oh, if you have endless waterfalls in your life,
or in your toilets, you might want to check out Lesbian Straits.
are lesbians straight now?
Be sure to watch Lesbian Straits. It's an endless waterfall full of mystery,
Everybody wants to kill Laura.
murder, and mayhem. And be sure to purchase The Changer and the Changed, featuring Waterfall by Chris Williamson at chriswilliamson.com. Fortunately, Penny and Patty do not sing on the album.